Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly fix your black screen on your Samsung TV, or maybe it's not turning on. So let's go to the back of my TV. Okay, so now go to where you have your TV plugged in and simply unplug it and then plug it back in. And do the same thing with your power strip. If you have it plugged into a power strip, unplug your power strip and make sure the light is turned on, indicating that there is power for your power strip. Now the next step might require two people, but I'm going to go to the back of my TV and simply unplug my TV and disconnect it from the power. Then, once it's unplugged, I'm going to hold down the power button on my TV for at least 1 minute and continue to hold this down. Take your power cord that connects to the back of the TV and then plug it back in. And it can be kind of difficult because it does take a lot of force to plug back in. But once you have it plugged back in, you can try releasing the power button now. So I'm going to release this. And then just try to turn on your TV. And you can press this button really quick, multiple times. And then you can hold it down for at least 1 minute and see if this factory resets your TV back to the default settings. And then after 1 minute, you can repeat the process or try again by pressing it on. And you can hear my TV is powering on. If you are having problems with your remote, simply open it up and remove the batteries. And then put those to the side and then do the same thing. Hold down the power button for at least 1 minute and press every single button on your remote just to make sure there's nothing stuck in, causing some sort of slow or sluggish response. Then go up and down it. Then after about 1 minute, release the power button. Then what you can do is tap it on your hand a few times just like this, just in case there's something still stuck in, and put the remaining batteries back in. And press the power button. You can see my remote is lighting up now. See if this turns on or off the TV, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.